Motorcycle Rosso.
Another new motorcycle from China, ladies and gentlemen. This is QJ Motor SRT 800. And what about this adventure motorcycle? Of course, the bike that we ride is not so adventure because it's got the aluminum wheels, but let's say it. What about it? Follow this video and learn more. So what we got in this motorcycle? We got two saddles, for the rider and for the second rider. We got already position for the top box, we got nice handles, we got protection for our hands, we got good enough windscreen, and we got here a plug, a USB port, let's say. We don't have programs, we have just ABS, and we got a TFT screen. I will start the engine, otherwise I don't have a good light in my clock. You see now it's starting to opening the light of the bike. That's it. I have a simple clock with RPM counter, fuel counter, temperature counter, a gear in the box, kilometer counter, fuel blicker, clock, trip A, trip B, and also I can be inside and check about the brightness that now is in the maximum and etc. and connected with a Bluetooth and things like this. I don't have programs in this motorcycle. So I will close it now and you will see that I will starting to lose the light of it. I can see it anyway in any light conditions. Also, we got a single stand, we don't have a double stand, but we have steppers that they are good for the dirt and with rubber for the street. And also we got steppers with rubber for Georgia, because don't forget that this bike is 800 cubics adventure and it must be good enough to make the round of the world. So I'm going up. Do I feel comfortable? Yes, I feel very comfortable. The position of riding is very good. I have a very good angles on my body, and the only problem is that the saddle are a bit of hard, nothing more. Everything is in a correct position. I have a good view back, and the windscreen is sending me the air somewhere here in the helmet. So, let's see now with Georgia. Georgia! Georgia, what about it?
I have a new friend.
You got a new friend?
It's a little bit hard, but it's okay. It's okay.
So you feel?
Okay.
You feel comfortable?
Well, it's a little bit hard. It's not Yes, it's okay,
Oh.
but it's hard, little bit hard.
Okay, Georgia. So you can make the round of the world in there,
Not to the world.
but you can go for 300 kilometers.
Yes, I can do it.
Okay, nicely. Okay, I feel comfortable. I am almost protected. The sound of the engine is nice. The gearbox, it's good, very good. Okay, let's move now. Let's change some directions in something that we are doing very easy. This bike is cornering nice. Let's see the brakes. The brakes are very good, and let's hear now the engine, the power. The power is not super power. It's okay. That's it. Okay, what we got here? We got an engine that looks like an old Benelli with 3 cylinders with 1 cylinder less. It's a twin, it's a water cool, it's a double overhead camshaft. It's got 8 valves and it's 754 cubics. It gives us 76.2 horses at 8,500 RPM, and at 6,500 RPM give us 67 Nm. It's got a 6-speed, it's got the consumption of 4.6 liters per 100 kilometers by the book. It's got a tank that is 18.5 liters and is 254 kilos. Now, okay, this is the technical part. The engine is not the best part of this motorcycle. Of course, as you understand, with these horses for this category it's a bit of weak. Also, it's noisy, and anyway, it's not the best part of this motorcycle. The gearbox, by the other hand, it's nice, soft and nice. This is the best part of this motorcycle. It's a beautiful, we got good lights, we got a windscreen with flaps, we got hand protectors, here we got the flash lights, here is the radiator with protection front of it, very important, with protection front of it, and we got a good fork and good brakes. We got a 4-piston caliber from each side of motorcycle, and the braking of this motorcycle is good, very good. Quality. The color is nice. It got a bit of perla inside, and the plastics are not bad, even if they are a little bit hard. Fit nice, I can say. The saddles are good, even if they are a little bit hard. And the bike, that of course is almost new, has got no corrosion on it. Here, then I am moving this, I hear a noise, you know, and the back fork, it's closed from behind. The frame looks good and the wheels looks good. Okay, the exhaust is made inox, and anyway I consider that this bike generally is a good made bike. Nice. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, what is the result? It's an acceptable made motorcycle, it's comfortable to go far away, the brakes are good enough, the suspensions are good enough, the frame is good one, the engine is not the best possible, and the price, of course, I don't know what's going to happen in your country, but in my country here it's good enough. So I am positive in this low-priced motorcycle. It's nice. It's give the opportunity to people who don't have so much money to have a big motorcycle to do the round of the world. Georgia, come to tell us your opinion. Και μετά θα πω πείμα.
Okay.
What are you think about it?
I think that it's
You feel safe?
a nice motorcycle, feel safe.
And you step down with both of the
It's
legs.
a modern motorcycle.
Yeah.
I feel safe, and it is modern and it's good looking. that it is very important to me.
So, you consider as a good motorcycle?
Yes.
Okay.
I like it.
So, I have to tell you, before I start the poetry, that I am a quality poet. Anyway, I want to tell you that here that we filmed this bike is the place that filmed the famous and the Oscar awarded film Zorba the Greek with Anthony Quinn. So back of me there was a place that there was dancing and etc. That was it. So that's why I will say a nice poem now. Στο Σταυρό πήγα να δω κανένα μπαλάκι. Τελικά ήτανε μόνο κάτι που δεν μ' αρέσανε και γύρισα. Πήγα για σουβλάκι.
Α, εντάξει. Λοιπόν, ήταν ωραίο το ποίημα.
Ναι.
Που τελείωνε σε σουβλάκι, πάλι καλά.
So, ladies and gentlemen, this is Georgia and Ioannis for Κόκκινα Φεγγάρια Motorcycle Rock Show. Thanks for watching us.
Thanks.
Φεύγω.
I'm sorry for this. Sorry.
Την άλλη, έλα πάρ. Τι είναι μωρέ, τι είναι.
Κόκκινα φεγγάρια Motorcycle Rock Show.
The tank is in perfect condition.